Hello everyone. Real quick, we're going to go over how to export Pozotron reports. This is assuming that you have finished proofing your entire project. You've gone through all the suggestions, you've made your own custom notes, and you are finished with the proofing process. Now is the time to communicate those results. And you're going to do that through exporting. And there are three styles of export that we're going to go over real quick. The proofing report, the pickup packet, and then the DAW Marker integration to go with those two. First, we're going to look at the proofing report, which is basically just the old classic spreadsheet. So for this project in front of you right now, I exported the spreadsheet as a proofing report relative to the start of the book and the narration context of current sentence. And it looks like this. The project link is up at the top, the report date, the project manager, and the pickup details are in these columns. Everything that you included as far as information went in the main proofing page is now on this spreadsheet. Any tags that you have, the time in, what the actual problem was, and the context around it. When you had that option earlier to have more or less context, it will make these boxes over here longer or shorter based on what you chose. Also note the tabs down at the bottom. On the Proofing Report tab, everything is there except for the typos. On the Editing tab, only things that you marked as at editing will be on this report. So if you have a separate editor that is just going to go through and make small deletions or edits in the project, you can have them look at that editing tab specifically. If you have the project split by narrator, each narrator has a separate tab. And if you're using the typo report function, whatever you clicked on as a typo will have this kind of report that you can give to the rights holder. You don't have to give this whole sheet to anyone as well. You can delete tabs so that you're only giving the typo report to the rights holder, for example, or you're only giving narrator one's pickups to them. You can just delete whatever tabs that you don't want when you pass it on. Now let's take a quick look at another export option, and that is the pickup packet. When you click on pickup packet, you can choose the online or offline versions relative to the start of the book, or relative to the start of each chapter or section. Depending on your workflow, whether you work in chapter chunks or the whole book at a time, you'll choose different options there. And again, the narration context is how many words you want around the pickup in the reporting. So we will export the online version relative to the start of the book with the current sentence being the narration context. A few things about this. This right here, this link, can go to anyone. You don't have to have a Pozotron account to get a hold of this pickup packet. Then you'll start looking through this packet and see that all of the information from the spreadsheet, all of the information from the main proofing page is all contained on these little index cards. You can also click the Show More Context to get a full half page up and down from where the pickup is. There's also an MP3 included with it. Enjoy learning how the accuracy. And this packet was also designed to work on tablets and iPads. One of the great things about this online pickup packet version is that it updates in real time. For example, it says right now 26 pickups are present. If you go back to this page and add another pickup somewhere, when you refresh this, you'll see that it goes from 26 to 27. So this is a real-time version of what you were doing as you're proofing it. The tabs are split out the same as you saw in the spreadsheet with the separate narrators. As well as the separate editing tab. We don't have the typos on this particular online version, so the only place you can get that report is on the spreadsheet. Adding DAW Marker integration is the last piece in this package to give you total control over how you get your Pozotron results. Export your DAW markers, and currently we support Pro Tools, Audition, Reaper, Audacity, Studio One through MIDI markers, Twisted Wave, and Hindenburg. Click on any one of those, your DAW of choice, and when you export it, it will kick out a file either relative to the start of the book or relative to the start of each chapter or section that you can import into that DAW, and all of the same information that's on the other reports will now be lined up in your session right above where the pickup is. So it'll have the exact timestamps. For example, these 6 pickups here, you'll get a file at 3 seconds, 22 seconds, 56 seconds, and 151 telling you what the pickup is, and it will be laid out on your timeline. So between those 3 ideas, you should be able to get the exact kind of reporting that you want after you finish your proof in Pozotron.